In this video of today, guys, I'm going to show you on how you can change your image into video. So many creators, so many people have been changing image into video, but people doesn't understand on how it works. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to do that in a very professional way. Let's dive in. Now, when changing my image into video, I'm only going to use two softwares. So the first software that I'm going to use is here. I'm going to use ChatGPT. So as you can see here, ChatGPT, I have prompted ChatGPT with the image that I want to create. And as you can see here, I've told ChatGPT that I want to introduce my video on how to teach people to create with AI. Give me a prompt that I use. So as you can see here, ChatGPT has given me one of the best prompt that I can use. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this prompt here. I'm going to copy this prompt. Then after copying this prompt, I'm going to click on another tab here. That is the VEO3. So this is a site that I'm going to use to change my image into video. So if you want to find this site, you simply click on file. You search file on your browser. Then after searching file AI, you explore, then you search VEO3. So I'm going to paste the prompt that I've copied from the other side. So I'm going to paste it here. Then after pasting it there, I'm going to click up. Then after clicking up, I'm going to choose the image that I want to use, okay? So I'm going to click here, then I choose the image that I want to use. Then after choosing it, I open. Then after opening, I will click on run, okay?
Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create amazing content using AI, even if you're just starting out. Let's begin.